Hello, this is Arya. Welcome to Orissa Post Live and you are watching today's top headlines. Captive female albino crocodile Mali has laid eggs at Bhitarkanika National Park. This is the second time the 18-year-old estuarine crocodile has laid eggs. The hatchlings are yet to come out. Muniguda police today seized about 7.8 quintal cannabis from Depaguda village in Raigada district. The contraband was being smuggled out of Odisha in a truck. 6 persons have been arrested in this connection. Prohibitory orders under Section 144 of CRPC would be clamped in Puri Bodadanda from July 11 night till July 13 noon to maintain law and order during Rath Yatra this year. Besides, all the roads connecting to the Bodadanda will be sealed to ensure the festival is celebrated without participation of devotees. Raigarh police in Nabarangpur district Saturday evening busted an illegal firearm manufacturing unit and arrested a man. Besides, a large number of equipment used in making firearms were also seized. Odisha reported 2,870 new COVID cases, taking the tally to 9,21,896, while 42 more deaths pushed the toll to 4,196. Meanwhile, India saw a single-day rise of 43,071 COVID-19 infections, which took the tally to 3,545,433. Active cases have declined to 4,85,350. Congress is considering to replace Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary as leader of party in Lok Sabha and appoint a new face to catalyze opposition. The decision is expected to be announced ahead of monsoon session of parliament, a party source said. Authorities in Srinagar Sunday banned storage, cell, possession, use and transport of drones. The decision was taken to eliminate risk of injury to life and damage to property, the district administration said. Five Indian sailors stranded in Iran for 18 months have appealed for help to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar. They were unknowingly trapped in a maritime narcotics smuggling racket leading to their arrest. However, they have been acquitted in the case by an Iranian court. A Philippine Air Force C-130 aircraft carrying troops crashed after missing the runway in a southern province today. At least 17 military personnel were killed while 40 others were rescued from the burning wreckage. A San Francisco Bay Area zoo in US is inoculating its big cats, bears and ferrets against coronavirus using an experimental vaccine. Few tigers were the first ones at Oakland Zoo to get the vaccine this week, local media reported. That's all for today's top headlines. To stay updated, keep watching Orissa Post Live.